know, the system is always there pressuring us, and this is the time for us not to be distracted but to be united.
Yeah, man, this is Ricci Spice representing for Jamaican Chat. You hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican Chat we are talking about. Oh, na. I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican Chat. Bang.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Thank you for joining me here back once more. And you don't know what for bless up Father God will have life. Alright? I'm gonna wish everybody a prosperous week here. Alright. So everybody you don't see Wagwan right now. That one here hot, spicy. Because we do a video a couple days ago when time Sizzla did start burn up the whole of the plaque them we received from the 2-time platinum plaques them we received from DJ Khaled, and a whole heap of things go on in terms because this was something for the world to see, so the world had their own feedback, you understand? So Sizzla did get a whole heap of backlash. A lot of top name artists decided that they're going to side with DJ Khaled and not side with Sizzla and so on, and people let me know how you feel about it, you understand? Me personally, I don't feel like what Sizzla do, him never did necessarily need to do that in terms of making such a huge statement, burning the plaques and all of that, especially for the world to see. But at the same time, I'm not down with DJ Khaled. I'm happy for the light where them shed upon our culture. And necessarily shed light upon our culture because we are Jamaicans. Our culture done there without them already. You understand? But you don't know you have to big him up because of when the showcase what them do for dancehall. You understand? Reggae music, pan a whole. So we not bite the hands we feed with. So I not go diss him none of them something about. People tend to look at these guys as like culture vultures. You understand? Because some of the time, alright, not necessarily some of the time, but yeah, you go get showcase, you know. Jamaican talents I get showcase, but with them I get out tight, you understand? So that's why people really look upon it like a culture vulture type of thing, you understand? But another thing what Jamaicans famous for say is we no count the cow them, we just drink the milk them. So when I think we necessarily pray like with them I go get out tight when them bring business to it, we just pray how much we can get out tight, you understand? But anyway people, what there was the reggae cruise, that is the Jamrock, the Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise, and all the artists did upon it. And if you go through my video and I go through all our videos, then we did cover it for the most parts. So this is what happened basically. Tarrus Riley was there, Damian Jr. Gang was there, and they basically stood with Sizzla. They stood with Sizzla where this whole thing is concerned. And I'm going to drop that video right now so you all can see. And let me know what y'all think. What y'all think about it. One of the point, they may say, we love the babies. Like, you know, we don't hear the babies. You know, say that come back to West Sizzla, did I say, in a theme video, one time he must say, you know, Assad, which is DJ Khaled child, he must say, oh, the child is innocent, basically. But make a run the video, people, and come back, we could just have a little conversation about it. Big up, Jamaican Chat.
You know, the system is always there pressuring us, and this is the time for us not to be distracted but to be united. And having something like this, a Jamrock cruise, we out in the sea, singing on the ship. It wasn't like this in those days, so I'm really honored, and I want to thank the people for supporting your own music. Reggae music, dancehall music is for the people worldwide. It doesn't matter what nation.
We love the babies.
So we love the babies.
Oh, is that 97?
Yeah, this is 97, brother.
We love the babies. This is culture. It's all about the nation. It's all about positivity, and it's all about Rastafari. We do give thanks to give them thanks.
Rastafari. Thank you, sir.